Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about the PoE injectors and what device can go with them. First we're going to have to get a fresh memory about what's PoE. Well, PoE is the technology that provides us power and data through a single Ethernet cable to our IP devices. This will save us the trouble of finding an alternating current outlet near the power device and is very safe as well. And the PoE injector is a device that will help us upgrade or provide more power to the system when our system is non-PoE standard or does not have enough power to power the IP devices at the edge. Now I have in front of me a 30 watts PoE injector, an outdoor 30 watts PoE injector, a 95 watts high power PoE injector, and a 10 gigabyte 95 watts PoE injector. So these four are the common seen injectors in the market. Now let's talk of them one by one. Well, first of all, this is our 30 watts PoE injector in my hand. You can see it has the power supply built in, so we can just connect this to our alternating current outlet and receive the power. And then the SLAM port right here. We'll receive the data from our main network, and then it will transmit through the PoE port to our edge device. So these are compliant to IEEE 802.3 protocols. It will have initial handshakes to make sure they have the right amount for the edge device. This will not harm the edge device in this case. And this one right here is also a 30 watts PoE injector, but its metal casing indicates it is designed for outdoor occasions. The metal casing prevents water and dust from infiltrating here, so then it will not compromise the components inside. And also the knobs here, if you screw them tight enough where the connections happen, the wire Ethernet cables, usually this will squeeze very tightly so no water will leak through the Ethernet cables. And this is the same power of this one, so in this case, if we use this, it is better when we're trying to extend our network outdoors, and this can just be for direct burial. And now let's look at some high-end devices. This is our 95 watts PoE injector. Like its name, it provides high power, and it complies to the IEEE 802.3 BT protocol. So this will use all four twisted wires. All four pairs of the twisted wires in the Ethernet cable, which makes the whole Ethernet cable at full capacity, and that's why I can transmit that much power and data at the same time. And it also can monitor the output of data and power right here on these indicators, so it's more clear how much power are consumed by our IP devices. And it has a grounding and direct connect to the alternating current. Very simple to set up, very easy to use. And this is more commonly seen in malls where we have to connect our cyber centers, or sometimes when we have a guiding kiosk where we look for directions in the mall. They can all be powered and transmitted data through this thing. So it's very convenient. And we also can use this for mechanical door locks, which are more seen now. And I forgot to say, but these small 30 watts PoE injectors are mostly used like these wireless access points, IP cameras, and VoIP phones for in case. Also, we can see the high power PoE injectors in cyber base stations, POS machines. They can be used in a lot of applications in our daily lives. Now let's take a look at the last device right here. This is a 95 watts PoE injector, also 10 gigabyte bandwidth. So this can provide a high power and high bandwidth at the same time. A 10 gigabyte bandwidth is roughly 10,000 megabits per second, which can be used for massive data processing. Imagine we have thousands of users connecting to the same network at the same time. If we use 100 or 1,000 megabits per second, that would be overwhelming. But if we use 10 gigabits, mostly it's really easy peasy for it. What this is used for is mostly seen using a Unifix access point. This is a wireless access point which can configure 5 virtual access points, so it can process many users connecting to its network, and that will require high bandwidth. This will have the bandwidth which the access point needs, so that's why they make a good match. And this is the same high power, high bandwidth, also direct connection to our alternating current. So this is almost it for this video. If you have any more questions about these power injectors and what other device you with them, you can leave them at the section below. Take a look at them. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.